Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are the type that has been looking for a way on how to withdraw your coins, mind coin on Tronix app, then this is the right video for you, because I'm gonna be showing you how everything goes on this video. Just stick around, subscribe to the channel now, subscribe now, click the red subscribe button and like the video. Let's jump in right there. So I'm gonna be clicking on to start app and let's see how it goes. You can see right here I've already mined some decent amount of TRX token, and if we are to claim this one now, it says I can only claim it's too small. So you can see right here I've mined up to 60 TRX, and they said if I want to send the TRX out of this wallet, I guess get at least 20 TRX. So therefore I won't be able to withdraw this coin yet. So I guess mine more to claim more and be able to withdraw. And for you just need to start the bot, activate the bot. I will leave the link to this bot in the description. If you've not started yet, just click on the link, be directed to this page and start the bot. So what you just need to do is that you can activate the bot and the bot will be mining for you 24/7. So when you reach your minimum threshold, what you just need to do is just click on to send here. Click on to send here, and you enter the amount which you want to send. It said the minimum which you can send is 20 TRX, which is approximately $2, which is approximately how much in naira like that, something around 3k, 3,000 naira. So just you input your wallet address here, and you input your the amount which you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw 20, wallet address to be there, and here 20 TRX at least. So just go on to your wallet, maybe like your Trust wallet or any of your wallets, or Binance or exchange, either Binance or Bybit or any other exchange like OKX. Just copy your wallet address and paste it right there, and you send the coin to your wallet. The coin will drop in your wallet right there. There's also a Shiba, if you know, which I've been mining for a while. You can also try to send it, but I can only send 300,000. I only have 32,000. That's very small. So I guess mine more by boosting like purchasing some depositing some TRX to get more earnings gigahertz per second. So what you just need to do for you to withdraw, you guys reach the minimum threshold. So what I just need from you now is for you to subscribe to the channel, because in my next video, when I reach the minimum threshold, I'm gonna be showing you my withdrawal proof, everything, how it goes. Withdrawal proof, because I'm at 16 now. I'm at 16. I only have maybe like 4 more TRX more left to complete, and maybe like in 2 days time or 3 days time it will be completed. And when this is completed, I'll withdraw the TRX to my wallet right there. So what you just need to do, stick around, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and watch out for the next. Thanks.